As Kenya Human Rights Commission, our mandate is that of ensuring human rights-centered governance. So when you talk about human rights-centered governance, broadly this is a governance system that is pro-people. And so amongst many other thematic areas that we work in is that of public finance management. And so in this season where we have seen the rise in corruption cases, the mismanagement of public resources across different sectors, including education and health, we thought to ourselves, what other ways as a nation would be important for us to see that at the end of the day, we are able to foster effective utilization of public resources or public funds that are also geared towards the delivery of impactful services. We are operating in the context where when you talk about taxation right now, as Kenyans or as taxpayers, we are disgruntled and we are asking ourselves, where are the monies going? Are the taxes that we're paying equivalent to what we are receiving in terms of services? So we asked ourselves, what extra thing, what more can we do under this thematic area to be able to ensure that at the end of the day, we are contributing towards effective utilization of public funds and also ensuring that there's delivery by the county government and the government at national level of impactful services to Kenyans. And so we decided to do a study, and the study is basically to examine the autonomy and also the functionality of independent institutions. But these are institutions that are established under the law, Chapter 15 of the Constitution. However, we only picked on those institutions that are touching or have a bearing on matters, resources, public resources. So these fiscal institutions include the Salaries and Remuneration Commission, because again, they are the ones who will determine our salaries or the civil servant salaries. We also looked at the control of budget because it's also critical in terms of budget matters, budget approvals, national and county. We also looked at the Commission on Revenue Allocation because again, when you talk about the division of revenue in this country, this is a commission that comes in handy. It's really critical in terms of doing that. Then the Auditor General, whose mandate is basically to ensure that there's effective utilization or management of resources at the end of the day. And every end of a financial year, they therefore come in to see as to whether counties and also national government effectively utilized the resources that they received. And if there are any issues, then they usually bring that up.